Hi, this week in my kitchen I have just created a new veggie pie square recipe. It's super easy to make, it's gluten-free, it's vegan, it's very nutritious, and you don't even need to faff about with making a crust because it's crustless. It's kind of magical. Let's go see how easy that is to make right now. So for the vegetables, I have got broccoli. I've got about half a large head of broccoli there. I've got a couple of smallish sweet potatoes and half a courgette, or zucchini as you call it in the USA. You can swap these out for any veggies you like, or you could have all sweet potato or broccoli, cauliflower, whatever you fancy. So I'm just going to chop these up and steam them or boil them. I'm going to put the broccoli and sweet potatoes in for about 10 minutes. And then after about 5 minutes, I'm going to throw the courgette zucchini in as well. So I want chickpea flour, about 1 centimetre cubed of ginger, garlic peeled, and paprika, smoked paprika or sweet paprika, sea salt and cumin seed. So I want to put that all into my blender. I'm going to use a NutriBullet. Then I've got passata and water. Then I'm going to blend it up. And then if you've got a powerful blender like a NutriBullet, you only need to blend it for like 10-15 seconds. You want this kind of pouring consistency. And these are just for the top, like about half or a third of a sweet pepper and a few tomatoes. And after about 10-15 minutes, it'll all be ready, and you just want to drain off the water. Then get yourself an oven-proof dish or an oven tin, and then line it with parchment paper. About this sort of size. It could be rectangular, square, circular, just as long as it's that sort of size. And then just put your vegetables in. And then pour in your mixture. And then you want to mix it in so everything's evenly covered. This chickpea flour mix is going to act as a binder. That's why it's quite important to make sure everything's evenly covered. Then just give it a bit of a press down to make sure everything is nicely combined together and pressed. And then you can get your little extras. Just make it really pretty, however you want to. And just remember, if there's any of these things, tomatoes, peppers, broccoli, courgette, zucchini that you don't like, just swap it out for a different veg. And now I'm going to put that in my preheated oven. There we go. There we go, nice and firm, cooked all the way through and ready to slice. Thanks for tuning in. Please remember to give this a thumbs up and let me know how you get on. Bye for now.